A very good morning to all of you. Standard 10, Chapter 10, First World War, Point 3, Division of two hostile groups. The Europe was divided into the two states in Europe, one with the same culture, language and tradition, and another with a different language, culture and tradition. The same language, culture and tradition is in Austria-Hungary, Germany, but later on Italy joined, and another whose traditions were different, language was different, and culture was different. So these territories included Austria-Hungary, Serbia, Bosnia, Croat population who speak different language and had a different culture. Germany and Austria-Hungary entered in an alliance, and later on in 1882 Italy joined the alliance. Alliance means one agreement, that is called the Triple Alliance. The second one is the another countries, France, Russia. After the death of Bismarck, the France was able to establish friendly relation with Russia and England, and later on Japan entered with the triple entity. There was the two alliances, one is triple alliance and another one is triple entity. In the 2 marks question, the question will come, name the countries of the triple alliance and name the countries of triple entity. Then Britain expand his empire by the colonies in Africa and Asia. Then after USA also starting this, to all see all this, France also want to expand his empire in Africa and Asia. Italy also want to expand their colonies in Asia and Africa, and Germany also want to expand their territories or expand their colonies in Asia and Africa. And these became the rivalries, मीन्स ये आपस में दुश्मनी कर रहे थे और ये दोनों अपने आप के अगेंस्ट हो गए थे. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज साराजियो क्राइसिस. साराजियो क्राइसिस को इमीडिएट कॉज भी बोला जाता है और मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सेम एज अ लाइक ऑफ फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, इसमें भी सेकेंड इमीडिएट कॉज है. इन होल बुक देयर आर 3 total immediate causes. One is First World War, second is in First War of Independence, and third is in Second World War. So these 3 immediate causes are very important. In this, Archduke Francis Ferdinand is the heir to the throne of Austria-Hungary. He was assassinated. Assassinated means maar diya. He was Archduke Ferdinand assassinated at Sarajevo, at the capital of Bosnia, on 28 June 1914. He was assassinated by Black Hand or Union of Death, those who are from the Serbia. The Serbian was want to unite all the Serbians into the single Serbian state. So Archduke Ferdinand assassinated at Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia, on 28 June 1914 by the Serbia, Black Hand or the Union of Death. After that, Austria served an ultimatum on the Serbia on July 23, making 11 demands ultimatum. Austria almost agreed but not accepted. That would have led to the loss of her sovereignty. Austria declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914, and Russia came to support to Serbia. Now let us know how the war will start. First of all, Austria declared war on Serbia. Russia supported to Serbia. Then Germany came and attacked to Russia. After that, Germany marched toward the Belgium and to press the France. Then Britain came and attacked on the Germany. After that, Germany came. After that, the Italy, who was neutral for the some time, but the 1950 he broke the Triple Alliance, and attacked on the Germany. Then Japan also entered against the Germany. This is how the war will start. After that, the powers were divided into two hands. One is Allied powers, second is Central powers. Britain, France and Russia became Allied powers, and Austria, Hungary and Germany and their allies called Central powers. They were fought in many areas. That areas were called fronts. There was a fighting at the sea and in the Middle East, where the Allied powers attack on the Ottoman Empire. This is how the war was begin. After that, the events of the World War is not included in your syllabus. We are directly coming to the end of the war. At the end of the war, 1918, the Treaty of Versailles, the conference held in Versailles by the victorious power and their allies. Total 27 countries entered in the conference. On 28 June 1919, the treaty was signed by Prime Minister of USA Woodrow Wilson, Prime Minister of Britain Lloyd George, and the Prime Minister of France Georges Clemenceau. As a result, the discussion at the Paris Conference on 28 June 1919, the Treaty of Versailles was signed at the ended the war. The basis of the treaty negotiations was the American President Woodrow Wilson with the 14 points. The treaty was designed to prevent Germany from going to war. Now come to the terms of the treaty. Let us start with the terms of treaty. Terms of the treaty, you have to learn only the mark points. The first one is the treaty declared the Germany guilty of aggression. Means जो भी कुछ हुआ उसके लिए Germany responsible था. Germany had required to pay for the loss and damages suffered by the Allies during the war, and the amount of reparation was fixed $33 billion. मीन्स उसको जो रिपरेशन मनी देनी थी वो $33 बिलियन थी, जो कि वो सारी कंट्रीज़ को देगा. थर्ड पॉइंट, द एरिया ऑफ राइन वैली वॉज डीमिलिटराइज्ड एंड द जर्मन टेरिटरी ऑफ राइन वॉज ऑक्यूपाइड बाय द अलाइड ग्रुप्स फॉर द 15 years. जर्मनी के पास एक राइन वैली थी जिसको डीमिलिटराइज्ड किया गया, और उसकी जितनी टेरिटरीज थी, जर्मन टेरिटरीज थी वेस्ट में राइन में, वो अलाइड ग्रुप्स को 15 years के लिए दे दी गई. Point number 6, the coal mines of the Germany called Saar were ceded to the France 15 years and the area was governed by the League of Nations. जर्मनी की कोल माइंस जो थी वो फ्रांस एरिया को सार बोलते हैं, जो कि 15 साल के लिए 15 years के लिए फ्रांस को दे दी गई और उसको गवर्न करेगी लीग ऑफ नेशंस. Germany lost her all the colonies at the Victorial Allies, Britain, Belgium, South Africa and Portugal. इसमें जितने भी उसके एरियाज थे उसको सीज कर दिया गया. The Germany army was restricted force of 1 lakh soldiers and the navy was limited by the 1,500 men and the 24 ships. The air force were submarines were banned. Point number 11, the covenant of the League of Nations were added to the Treaty of Versailles. This is the chapter of Standard 10, World War I finished. Only the included topics I have discussed with you.